Hello friends, welcome to my fake live. I hope you're having an amazing day. I know that wherever I am hopefully having a great time with my family for spring break. Today I'm going to show you the cutest little kitchen sign. This is from the transfer Many Have Eaten. Okay, I already did that saying, but this one, welcome to our kitchen, or you can replace it with the word my. But look how cute that little thing is. I can't think of the word right now. Super cute. So I'm gonna prep my board. I have our 6x18 double-sided box frame. So you can use the white side or the dark side. But first we're gonna wax because it's wood. Always enjoy a good waxing of the surface. This is going to protect the surface of the the surface of the board, and that finish that's on the board, this white finish, it's going to protect that, and it's going to protect the sticky portion of the transfer. So it's a twofer. Why we use the wax. Okay. Smooth and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that away. That's just our surface wax. Love it. Yeah, I just did that. Okay, now I'm gonna first mark the back. And then I'm gonna trim out that little piece. If you are single or you're giving this as a gift to someone who is single so that they want the My Kitchen, that's what that would be for instead of the Our Kitchen. If I said My Kitchen, my husband would have a fit. Okay. Welcome to our kitchen. Peel carefully. Set that up there. And I'm just going to fit it in here. Ooh la la. Now, this little guy, I'm going to need a detail tool, the tiny tip, and the multi-tool, that other little tip, to get in here. And I think I'll do it first. So I'm gonna do the Ocean Mist on the whisk. Oh, there's that word. I knew I would figure it out eventually. Ocean Mist on the whisk. You could also use like a shimmer silver. That would be cute because whisks are often like stainless steel. All right, we get our whisk. One last bit. All right, awesome sauce. I can scrape that on the edge. And then our flowers are going to be Sunset Drive. I love this color. So there are two little baby flowers right here. And then I'm just gonna clean this off. Okay. And then use it in our eucalyptus for the leaves. On both sides. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna peel that as if I'm doing that chalk and peel method. So We're gonna let that dry a bit before I place this back down. And I'm just sticking down the portion that needs to be, I'm not sticking back that, the rest of it. All right, now we have Storm. Yes, please. And I'm going to use my small squeegee to really get in here and get it done fast. Super fast. The bigger your squeegee, the quicker you can go. We even have some really massive squeegees for our really big transfers. But here, this is actually our small squeegee, yes. We have an angled squeegee, which gives us different angles and different grips for chalking. But we also have a giant 4-inch handled squeegee for the biggest of the bigs. And let's peel. Ooh, oh, you guys, look so good. This needs to get washed. So I will do that. We'll clean this up a second. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I actually love the clean lines of this. Let's go ahead and dry it real quick. While I'm drying this, if you are new and would love to jump into my free group, type the word VIP in the comments. I'll send you a link to a few different things so you can get more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. And along those same lines, if you want to try this out, you could grab a sample. Type the word sample right in the comments and I'll send you the link so that you can get yourself a sample. Like a sample little mini kit, they're so adorable. All right, let me wash the transfer. You guys, look how cute this is. Look at that. Isn't it so cool? And it's literally, it's like so neat and clean. I love it. I'm not even gonna add anything to it. I know that's not like me, right? Total embellishment girl, but I think this is adorable. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I will catch you guys later. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye.